Is driving Uber and Lyft about to get better with more quests coming? Yeah, it's looking like it. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. Now my question to start off is, have you been seeing more surge? Have you been seeing more quests come in your area? Well, first off, comment below and let us know. But there is definitely something that I have been seeing. There's definitely something I am also seeing other people notice, and that is more surge and, of course, more quests and more bonuses coming in to drivers that they haven't seen maybe in a few years. So what's going on? What's happening? Well, first off, I've been getting a couple of texts from people throughout the country that said, hey, what's going on? I'm actually seeing surge, and it's random time. I don't normally see this at this time. What's going on? And I've seen it on my app as well, too, some random times. Friday at 1:30 in the afternoon, I've been seeing the whole city lit up with surge, which is quite wild. It hasn't really happened like that in a long time. And not only that, there's also more bonuses, more quests, more weekly challenges that are coming in. Now, one of the things that I've noticed in my market, I don't know about yours, but make sure you comment what's going on for you. One of the things that I've been seeing is for quite a while, I have not seen any weekday or weekend quests. Meaning they were gone. They were gone for a while. And then all of a sudden, I started seeing weekend quests come back in. Not weekday quests, but the weekends. And then all of a sudden, the last couple of weeks, I've actually been seeing weekday quests come in as well. So that's awesome. And on top of it, yeah, I'm seeing some random surge and more surge for that. I turn the app on and there's actually surges going on all over the area. So it's quite interesting to see what is happening. But what is happening? What's going on? Well, there's a few things. One, rider demand is probably a little bit higher. So that's going to be that there's more rides. But there's a lot of drivers who are not driving anymore and maybe have given it up or have switched or they're not driving as much, whatever it might be. There's a lot less drivers on the road, which means the amount of rides that are coming in and the amount of drivers that there are starting to equalize, which is good because that means drivers can start looking at bonuses, could start getting some bonuses and quests. Now, are they great? No, they're not like in 2020, 2021, when there was a massive driver shortage, things were reopening and there were a lot of rides and they were offering insane bonuses, really. Sometimes $300, $400, $500 for a weekend quest, for a weekday quest. No, it's like 50 cents extra a ride, depending on the amount of rides that you take. But it's happening more frequently. Like I said, for several months, I didn't see a weekend or a weekday quest. Then I started seeing some weekend quests. It was right around that range. But now we're starting to see those weekday quests added in. But again, I want to know what's going on in your market. What are you seeing? And are you seeing more random surge? Are you seeing some more bonuses come in your way? What are you seeing? Put in the comments and let us know. But yeah, in my opinion, I think we're starting to turn the tide. I think we're starting to get into an area where it's more equalized. Is it going to get into a driver shortage and we're going to see some crazy bonuses coming soon? I don't know, but either way, I think this is going to be good for drivers who are out there, who are looking for some extra money, especially with what's going on in today's markets, with, things costing more, with maintenance of the car, with insurance rising. All these things I think are going to help at least soften that when it comes to when you're out on the road, making a little bit more money, a little bit more when it comes to quests, a little bit more when it comes to surge, when it comes to driving better, your utilization rate, which means the amount of time that you are going to pick up a rider and have somebody in the car is going to be much greater than waiting for a ride to come in. So with that being said, I hope it is definitely a turn of the tides. I hope it's definitely going to be something that is going to be getting better for drivers all around. But again, it's going to vary market to market and it's going to be different in market to market. So make sure you put what you're seeing in the comments below. So this is definitely a positive for drivers. And if you're looking for another positive for drivers, Lyft just changed the way the cancellation fee is paid out and when it comes to drivers on the way to pick up the ride. Check out that video right here and we'll see you in the next one.